Watch this video to learn how to book an Air Canada flight using your Aeroplan points. Visit the official Air Canada website and navigate to the Flights section. Begin your booking process by selecting Departing from in the form area. Enter the departure city in the From field. Click on Arriving in the Form section. Enter the destination city in the To field. In the calendar pop-up, choose any date as the travel date. In the form, click on the one-way drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, click Close to exit the selection. Click on the One Adult drop-down in the form. Select the number of passengers from the drop-down menu, then click Close to finalize your choice. Check the box for Book with Aeroplan points in the form. To continue, click the Search button on the form. You will then see a variety of flights to choose from. If your Aeroplan account has sufficient points, you can book any flight using them, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. This is how you can book Air Canada flights with Aeroplan points.